So I'm getting ready to do a laundry to landscape Greywater installation. I have my three-way valve, very important, with barbed adapter and a couple of 1-inch adapters on there. The laundry tube will attach here, and I've cut some pieces to try and make everything fit. Here I have the facing that the three-way valve is going to attach to, and I'm going to have to take this washer tube and probably cut it along here and attach that to the barb attachment. And then this section you can actually save, say if you're doing more Greywater systems, or if you wanted to have this tube go in to your sewage, you can use that. I sometimes like to just use PVC pipes. That's why I have it set up so that it would attach here, come in, and then pipe just goes right into the sewage. So that's the first step for a Greywater installation. You need to have pipe cut for both sides, but then you attach these straps onto the board like so and screw it on, and then once it's on both sides it's pretty solid and you can hold on to the lever, turn it whenever you need to. I'm using right now 2-inch deck screws. I would maybe suggest doing at least 2 1/4 inch, maybe even 2 1/2, depending on the wood that you're working on. But yeah, so that's the beginning of a Greywater install. Some extra tools and some piping, but this is pretty much what you need: the drill, cutter, glue, and some screws, and of course the pieces that you need. I will then be installing this anti-siphon, so I'll be going from here around the corner and attaching to the wood there, going under the window, because with this kind of setup it's going to be easy to go through kind of on this side where the wall is really thin, and it kind of helps actually where I need to trench outside. So I'll have my anti-siphon kind of come in here, and then I'm going to stub out kind of near the bottom there, and that's where I'll be drilling a hole. Beyond that, with this little intro, I wanted to just do a little shout out. This was a laundry detergent that I found over at Mount Hope, but I'm sure you can find it in other places and other kind of, the hypoallergenics one thing, but you want to make sure that you find that it is biodegradable, and you can go through the ingredients and make sure that that's non-toxic, as it says pretty obviously, but you still want to make sure that the ingredients are good and you don't have at least very much sodium ingredients. And then also looking through the Ecology Center, the Ecology Center list with ingredients that you don't want to have in your laundry detergents. So that's my attempt for Greywater video number 1. Thank you, and there'll be more to come.